Hello friends, welcome to my channel Happy Steps Kids Learning. It's quiz time. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Which animal is called the king of the jungle? Correct. Option B, lion. Which animal gives us milk? Correct. Option A, cow. Which is the fastest land animal? Correct. Option D, cheetah. Which animal has a trunk? And the correct answer is option A, elephant. Which animal is called man's best friend? Correct. Option B, dog. What is the baby of dog called? Correct. Option B, puppy. What is the baby of cow called? Correct. Option B, calf. What is the baby of lion called? Correct. Option C, cub. What is the baby of sheep called? And the correct answer is option A, lamb. What is the baby of cat called? Correct. Option D, kitten. Which bird is known for saying hello? Correct. Option A, parrot. Which bird is the national bird of India? And the correct option is B, peacock. Which bird lays the largest egg? Correct. Option C, ostrich. Which bird cannot fly? Correct. Option B, penguin. Which bird wake up with kukuduku? Correct. Option A, rooster. Which animal has black and white strips? Correct. Option B, zebra. Which animal lives in water and has sharp teeth? Correct. Option B, shark. Which animal is known as the sheep of the desert? Correct. Option A, camel. Which animal sleeps hanging upside down? Correct. It's bat. Which animal hops and has a pouch for its baby? Correct. Option C, kangaroo. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना मत भूलना। थैंक यू।